Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Remember, practice makes perfect. But I don't have a partner. Well, that's not an issue anymore because today I'm gonna give you my four options on how to practice, yes, partner dancing by yourself, and 4 tips that will make these options way easier. It doesn't matter what level you are, it doesn't matter what dance you're practicing, it doesn't matter if you're leading or following, keep watching. Tip number 1. Don't use time as an excuse. 5-10 minutes, it's better than nothing. 2. You don't have those 5-10 minutes? Then be creative. You can also practice while you're brushing your teeth, while you're cooking, while you are standing in line at the bank, grocery store, or whatever you want. Also when you're driving, well, only if it's a red light or heavy traffic. Tip number 3. Record everything. Either if you are in a private lesson or a group class and you learn something new, make sure you tell your teacher that you want to record that pattern or move or technique, whatever you learned. And if it's a private lesson, ask him, ask her to please break it down for you. So you're going to be practicing the right thing and you're not going to be creating bad habits. And tip number 4. This is the ultimate test. Why? Yes, you still don't need a partner, so it's not an excuse. You can easily just go to the club or any social night that you're having wherever you live, and you can find plenty of partners there to practice what you just learned and to test your skills. Alright you guys, and remember, it doesn't matter what dance you are learning or if you're leading or following. I'm going to be focusing a little bit more in salsa and bachata, but please remember that these techniques apply to any dancing that you are learning. Right now, I'm going to start with some basics, and then as we go on, I'm going to increase the level so you see how far we can go. Starting with option number 1, which is practice your footwork. Let me show you just simply what I mean by practice your footwork with the basics, okay? So let's do salsa just for fun. I'm going to be doing the leader's footwork. All I'm going to be focusing on is just practicing what I learned with my feet, nothing up here, because at the beginning can be a little bit confusing trying to do everything at once, or in a more advanced level, it can be a little bit confusing as well. So we're here, I'm going to do basic, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We can do as many repetitions as we want, or let's say we learn how to do the inside turn. We learn a little routine in class. Basic, turn, cross body lead. Let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's it. That was my basic. That was the turn for the lady, and that was the crossbody lead. Now, let's do it from the female side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You see how simple it is? Alright you guys, for option number 2 we have technique. But what is technique? Well, technique implies proper footwork, meaning the proper way of stepping. It depends on the dance you're doing. 2, proper body movement. It also depends on the dance you're doing. 3, rhythm and musicality. Rhythm meaning, okay, as I'm doing what I'm practicing, I'm going to be counting as well, and I'm going to apply it to the music. Alright, so now let's do bachata just for fun, because we did salsa in the last one. Let's do same thing, the basic, okay? We're going to do basic, and this will be the way I will be practicing if it was just for my footwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if I want to focus on the footwork, then I will be doing ball flat, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can practice that a set of 4 times just to create some repetition, and then I can focus on the body movement. So how to move my hips, right? Then I go 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna focus this time on the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I do that 4 times, and now I'm ready to combine both. All right, let's work on that. Footwork and hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. I can also, if I'm ready, I can add some upper body. And just to give you an example, this is only the basic. Do I need a partner for that? No, because it's important that you work on yourself first, and then you can be ready to dance with your partner. All right, now let's get to a more complex pattern or move, which will be the body roll, okay? So for the body roll, we can do that definitely, most definitely practice that by ourselves, yes? So we're here, and then we're just gonna be, okay, let's say we learn a combination that has the regular body roll and the reverse body roll. I'm having issues with that. I'm gonna practice by myself. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna do a repetition, repetition, repetition. I'm gonna try it with the music as well, without focusing on anything else, just on the proper body movement. And remember how we also have our friend, the wall. So for that, my friends, we don't need a partner. Everyone owns a wall. And we can do this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see how easy it is? Number 3, visualizing. It's been proven that visualizing is as powerful as actually doing something. So if you're not ready for your grand debut, then you can always just imagine yourself doing the pattern that you just learned. Let's say you are at Starbucks and you're not ready for everyone to see you be amazing. Then just imagine it. Look completely normal and visualize yourself doing that pattern. As simple as that. Number 4 is the ultimate way of practicing, right? With the imaginary partner, you guys. This is the ultimate way because you're actually going to imagine that you have your partner right in front of you. So you have to do everything exactly as if you were dancing with someone. All right, let's step it up a little bit with the bachata pattern. We're gonna do a basic turn, hands, and body roll. I'm gonna be the leader first. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. All right, now for the follower we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see how I'm applying all the elements? And that's why, you guys, I told you, it's super important that you tell your teacher you want to record the pattern that you just learned. And if they can break it down, it's even better. So you are not going to be creating bad habits. So I'm pretending to have my partner in front of me. I'm applying every single element that I learned for the lead and the follow. So There is no more excuses, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope this helped. And if you feel like it did, please go ahead and share with your friends and family. I'm sure someone can make a good use of this video. And if you like my video so far, please show some love by pressing on the like button and subscribing to my channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And see you guys next time. But visualizing. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore.